In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for social media management. We'll start right from the Monday.com home screen. Once you're logged in, you'll usually land on your main workspace or home area. From here, we're going to set up a complete social media management system using one of Monday's built-in templates, and then customize it so it matches your content, your brand, and the way your team works. First, look towards the area of the screen where Monday suggests ways to create new boards or projects. You'll see an option to start from scratch or use something pre-built. Choose the option that lets you start with a template. This is the fastest way to get a social media workflow up and running without building every column and view manually. When the Template Center opens, you'll see categories and featured templates. Use the search or category filters to find social media-related templates. In the search bar, type a relevant keyword like social media or content calendar, and then select the template that's designed for social media planning and publishing. Once you've found it, click to open the template, review the preview, and then click Use Template to add it to your workspace. Monday will now create a new board based on that template. Open the new board and look for the first group of items, often labeled by day or week, for example, something like Day 01. Click into one of the items to see the details. Here you can adjust dates, statuses, and any text like post captions or inspiration quotes so they match your own content plan. Back in the main board view, you might see different groups such as planned posts, inspiration, or ready to publish content. Click into the group labeled Inspiration to explore how you can store ideas, hooks, or quotes for future posts. You can edit any sample text to turn it into your own ideas and add new items whenever you have a new content concept. Next, let's make the board match your brand. Find the board settings or design options where you can edit brand colors. Open the brand color controls and update the palette to your own primary and secondary colors. This will make it easier to visually scan your board and instantly recognize statuses that matter, like ready to schedule or needs approval. If you need more structure, use the Add New Group option to create sections for different platforms, campaigns, or months. For example, you might add a group for each social channel or a group for each launch. Now explore the different views at the top of the board. Click on Calendar to see your posts laid out by date. This gives you a clear content calendar and helps you spot gaps or overlaps. Switch to the Files view to quickly access any images or videos attached to your posts. Then open the Timeline view to get a longer-range picture of campaigns over weeks or months. You can also use the Kanban view to manage your posts by stage, like idea, in progress, ready to schedule, and published. Finally, explore additional views such as Word Cloud or a view focused on ready-to-schedule content. These help you see which topics you mention most often and which posts are prepared for publishing, so you can stay consistent and organized with your social media strategy.